Hi. Welcome back. Today, I will guide you on how to install the Chrome application offline. First of all, we need to understand why we require offline Chrome installation. Let's assume you're in a remote area with limited or no internet access. You need to install Chrome on your computer, but without an internet connection, it seems impossible. That's where the offline MSI file comes to the rescue. If you have already installed an older version of the Chrome application, this file will be helpful in updating the application to the latest version. Open the site, Chrome Enterprises, linked in the description. Select Windows tab. Select Channel Stable. Select File Type MSI. Select Architecture according to your Windows. Click on Download. To install or update the Chrome, simply double-click on the MSI file and wait.